Hello everybody. Today you are watching question and answer session of lesson fair play. Students, before this we have completed the lesson in two sessions. Okay, so this is the first question for you. Match the sentences under group first with those with under group second. Students, let's read the sentences from group first. Juman and Algu were the best friends. Second, Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. Third, the aunt decided to appeal the panchayat. Fourth, Algu was unwilling to support the aunt. And fifth, Juman was very happy to hear Algu's name as his head punch. Then just read out the second group. He believed that his friend would never go against him. She wanted justice. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. The condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare, and the bond of friendship between him and Jumman was very strong. And the right options or right pairs are there. Look at that. Jumman and Algu were the best of friends. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. It is the right or proper pair of the answer. Then look at that question number 2. Jumman aunts transfer her property to him, and the correct choice is the condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare, and therefore her aunt transferred her property to the Jumman. Then the aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat because she wanted justice, right? Look at that question number 4. Algu was unwilling to support the aunt, and the right option is the bond of friendship between him and Jumman was strong. Then look at that question number 5. Jumman was very happy to hear Algu's name as hair punch. Then the correct choice is he believed that his friend would never go against him. Okay, students. So look at that question number 2. Who says this to whom and why? The first question is, my wife knows best how to run the house. Student, and the answer is Chuman told this sentence to his aunt. He did not want to give the old lady any allowance. He just wanted to get rid of her. Okay, and therefore, this is the answer of the first question. Look at that question number 2. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair? The answer is the old aunt told these words to Algu Chaudhary. Algu was not ready to speak anything against his friend Chuman. Okay, look at that question number 3. What have you to say? What have you to say in your defense? And the answer is Algu asked it to Chuman after being nominated as the head punch. He wanted to do justice, and both Juman and the old lady were equal before him. At that time, he said that sentence. Okay. Then question number 4. I can, uh, I cannot play. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. And this sentence is told by Sanju Sahu told these words to Algu Chaudhary. Algu sold his bullock to Sahu. The bullock died within a month. When Algu demanded his money, Sahu refused to pay him a penny. Right? Look at that. Next question, question number 5. Victory to the panchayat. This is justice. And the answer is Algu said these words to everyone sitting for the panchayat. Jumman gave his verdict in favor of Algu and asked Sau to pay money to him. Therefore, Algu shouted in joy and welcomed the verdict, means decision. Okay. Then look at that question number C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Then the situation change. What is being referred to? Then the situation change in this sentence. What is being referred to? The answer is the situation change after a couple of years. After Juman and his family started misbehaving with old lady and become indifferent towards her, he and his wife began to ill-treat their aunt, and therefore it is written like then the situation changed. Okay, students. Then look at that question number second. When Juman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest to the Juman? Let's see the answer. Juman's aunt realized that she was not wanted in his house and asked for a monthly allowance. Okay, students, so that she could cook separately and not get insulted every day, right? So this is the answer. Then look at that question number 3. What was the villagers' reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? What was the villagers' reactions? Let's see. And answer is the old lady was seeking support from the villagers. She was asking for a support from the villagers. Some of the villagers sympathize her, others laugh at her, and a few others advise her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. Right? So these are the reaction of villagers. Then look at that question number 4. Why was Juman happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? Why was Juman's happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? And the correct answer is Algu and Juman. Algu and Juman were best friends. Therefore, Juman thought that Algu will give the verdict in his favor. So he was happy over Algu's nomination as head punch. Okay, students. Then let's see question number 5th. God lives in the heart of Punch. The aunt said. What did she mean? God lives in the heart of Punch. What did she mean through this sentence? And the right answer is the aunt meant that a person who acts as a judge becomes free for fair, and a judge is not base and everybody is equal in front of him. He has to do justice irrespective of his emotions and feelings. Okay, this means that God lives in the heart of Punch. Means that Punch never do any partiality. Both the parties are equal in front of him. Okay, look at that next question, students. Question number 6. What was Algu's verdict as head punch? How did Jumans take it? What was Algu's verdict? Algu heard the case of Juman and gave a fair verdict. He asked Juman to either pay his aunt monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. Juman was shocked to hear these words and become his enemy. He wanted his revenge. Okay, students. Look at that question number 7. Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? Answer is, what was the problem of Algu? Algu was worried because one of his fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu. Sahu was supposed to pay the price of bullock, but he refused to pay as the bullock died within a month. Sahu refused to pay and therefore Algu was worried. Okay. Then question number 8. Why was Algu upset over Juman's nomination as head punch? Why was Algu upset over the Juman's nomination as head punch? Answer is Algu was upset because Juman was annoyed with him for the previous judgment. Juman wanted his revenge and he got an opportunity to do so, right? And therefore Algu was upset over Juman's domination, right? Look at that next question number 9. What was Juman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? What was Juman's verdict? Verdict means decision. As a head punch, how did Algu take it? Juman's said that Sahu has to pay Algu the price. Juman had said that Sahu has to pay Algu the price of bullock as it suffered from no disease when Sahu brought it from Algu. Then this was the right decision and Algu appreciated it and said it was a victory of Panchayat. Right, students? Okay, look at that. Next question, question number 10. Which of the following sums up the story best? Option number first. I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. Conscience means inner sound. You will not kill your inner sound for the sake of friendship. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. Third, the voice of Punch is the voice of God. Give a reason for your choice. Let's see here answer. Let no one deviate from the path of justice and truth for the sake of friendship or enmity. Then this sums up the story best because the one who occupies the position of judge becomes fair and free. He has to give fair judgment irrespective of personal feeling. Okay, students. So this is the half of a question and answer session. Remaining question we will see in our next session. Right, students? Thank you.